I bought a fixer-upper starter street bike on OfferUp for $500. What could go wrong? This is my 2005 Kawasaki Ninja EX250 with a 300A engine. Rescued from neglect and bad repairs. Bad news. Lots of issues, but I guess that makes it a great bike to learn with. Known issues are an oil leak from wrong generator being sealed in with JB Weld, missing evap lines, fire damage, missing mirrors, fairing damage, loose and missing bolts, and a dented fuel tank. I'm sure I'll find more as I tear it down. Good news. It has an electric starter, so no priming. Starts strong every time and cycles through the gears cleanly. Shocks, brakes and chain are in good condition but certainly need some TLC. Great news. Clean title. No issues at the DMV. Seller never transferred the title from builder. The under-seat VIN is missing. So I was glad everything worked out. Parts and gear incoming, so stay tuned. Like and subscribe.